because
Oh.
some meetings and some issues, we need some approvals for executing uh, some protocols,
Uh-huh.
and any document that you wanted to. First of all, you write the strategy, then send it or send this document to approvals.
Mm-hmm.
And if you receive any comment or any feedback, you
Mm-hmm.
need to align to the approver or with the approver. And it is like stressful. So today
Oh.
was one of these days.
You said what's your career?
Uh, I am a manufacturing engineer,
Mm-hmm.
but I am as a validations engineer. I am working for a Johnson and Johnson on medical devices, and uh, this is a little bit about me regarding my job activities.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Very good, very
Hmm.
good. Johnson and Johnson is an international company,
Yes.
yeah? Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So your colleague
Yeah.
might be from all over the world, or maybe native English speakers, yeah?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
The headquarters of the Johnson and Johnson, in our case, they are located in Cincinnati, Ohio,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
and I have contact with some colleagues from India, Taiwan, China,
Mm-hmm.
but right now I have the opportunity to communicate in English with some of them.
Mm-hmm.
So the that's the reason why is the importance to be here,
Mm-hmm.
to be able to get the next English level. Hmm.
Mm-hmm. Very good, very good. And your mother tongue is Spanish, I think, yeah?
Yes, Spanish. I
Mm-hmm.
am from Mexico, and you know, Mexico is neighbor of the United States. So I am living in the north of Mexico, all along the borderline. Um, is plenty of manufacturing plants.
Mm-hmm.
It can be automotive factories, plastic factories, medical device factories. So is plenty of manufacturing companies, something like that. So specifically, I believe obviously in the center, in the south, in touristic places, English or all around the globe, English is very important. But when you live in a specific area, so it takes more importance.
Mm-hmm.
And it is my case because I am living in the border of Mexico with the United States, so I need to be fluent and to be
Mm-hmm.
able to communicate
Mm-hmm.
in a good way. Hmm. Hmm.
So your main motivation and your main goal is to communicate with your colleague, yeah, as they are maybe from all different countries in the world, or for example, your headquarters or your managers that might be from US and they are native English speaker and you wanted to communicate with them, understand them, yeah,
Hmm.
comprehend them, yeah. Okay.
Yes, yes. Yes, because you know, based on the information that you provide or
Mm-hmm.
based on the information that you receive,
Mm-hmm.
some decisions are taken. So this kind of information is very important, and you need to understand it,
Mm-hmm.
and you need to manage accurate and things like that. So yes, it takes a lot of importance. To
Mm-hmm.
me, it is we can say the number one, but as well it's like a personal challenge
Mm-hmm.
to be able to establish a good